In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add questions in Typeform, whether you're starting fresh or structuring a more complex form. Let's dive right in and make your Typeform experience smooth and efficient. First, open your form in the Typeform Builder. Once you've done that, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find the Content panel. It acts as the central hub for all the elements you can add to your form. To begin, click on the Plus Add Content button. This action will reveal a comprehensive menu of question types available for you to incorporate into your form. Each type serves a unique purpose and can cater to various needs, whether you're looking for multiple choice, short text, yes, no, drop-down, rating, or other options. After selecting the type of question that suits your needs, proceed to type in the question text. You can then fill in any necessary options or make customizations according to your requirements. Once you've added your questions, it's important to tailor them for optimal engagement and clarity. This customization is done using the right-hand question panel. Here, you can make your question mandatory by marking it as required, ensuring that respondents cannot proceed without answering. You also have the option to set character limits, which is particularly useful for text responses where you want to keep answers concise. Other features include enabling multiple selections, randomizing answer order, or adding an other field for additional respondent input. Adjustments like changing alignment or incorporating logic rules can also be made here. These configurations help create a seamless and intuitive experience for those interacting with your form. Now let's focus on enhancing your multiple-choice questions with some advanced functions. To add suggested choices, you'll notice a sparkling stars icon near the question options. By clicking on it, you activate Typeform's AI-powered feature, which generates smart, relevant answer suggestions for your question. It's a fantastic tool when you want to save time by not manually entering each option. Once the AI provides its suggestions, simply click Use these choices to automatically fill in the options. If you find any option unnecessary, just remove it using the X icon next to it. For those times when you have ready-made options, perhaps from another source like a spreadsheet, a handy trick is to copy-paste these directly into your question. It's an efficient method to quickly populate your multiple-choice questions without having to enter each option individually. By following these steps, you can effectively add and customize questions in Typeform, creating forms that are not only functional, but also engaging for your audience. Keep experimenting with these features to find what works best for your specific needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy form building.